How to log into ADP Employee Account. Hi everybody, in today's tutorial we're going to look at how you can easily log into your ADP Employee Account. So the first thing you can do is open up your web browser and search for ADP Employee Login. Click on the first link that you see, go to adp.com. From this list you should be able to choose different options, like if you are an employee or an administrator or accountant. So if you are an employee, just click on any one of these, find My Paycheck or Pay Stub, then go to Help and Support and tap on Employee Login. Now, if you are in ADP Workforce Now login, if you're trying to log into that, you can just choose the second option. And there are multiple other options as well. Now, first thing you can do is to basically provide your user ID. So just go ahead and type it in. Tap on Next, and if you want the browser to remember user ID, check this box. Then just enter your password up. Now tap on Sign In. And if you are having any trouble, tap on Need help signing in. And it should help you recover your password or user ID depending on what you don't know. So if you are having trouble with your password, in this case, you can click on the Forgot Password button. So it will appear right here. And after doing so, you should be able to recover your password. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.